Hi, I'm Richard Tergler from PlastXnow magazine at the K Fair in Düsseldorf. And I'm now here at the booth of Fong Kee International Machinery, and they are leading in Taiwan in producing blow machinery, blow molding machinery. And their specialty is a completely electric machinery, of course, completely electric machine. And my dialogue partner is Susan Wei, who is executive director. And my first question would be, okay, how do you see the market plastic industry during the next years? What are the biggest challenges in that market?
The biggest challenge is the situation of the political issue, which affected the plastic industry. And we are trying to adjust it ourselves to bring better machines, faster support and service to our customer to help them to survive in the industry, because we are also surviving now today with this too much change the world, and we don't know how to deal with it. But stay calm and do our job and help our customer to maintain their production, to support them, and to make sure they have a smooth running production, and try to maintain as much as the sales we could reach. Okay.
In which way can you support your customers?
We try to help our customer through the internet, through the web meeting, through the WhatsApp, the communications, and we try to help them not in 24 hours, but at least I would say 16 hours a day from different locations, because we have 110 countries customer being distributed. So we have the service people from United States, from Latin America, through our Asians, and also we have a service engineer in India and also African country, in order to help our customer immediately or within 24 hours. This is the way we try to support to help the customer to keeping their smooth production non-stop. Okay.
And with what kind of technical solutions would you support the development of your customers? How can they improve with your help?
Normally, we try to do the best performance of our machines, but at the same time, there is always a way to do like routine maintenance in time, and also even to reach preventive maintenance to keep the machine always in smooth production. This is the idea. And of course, today we also try to help the customer to cut down investments, try to give a good running machine, simple maintenance, automation, to save the labors, to whatever approach today, like high technology of the co-extrusion process for using the reduce, reuse, recycle, and to consume less plastic. This is also the kind of development we are achieving, like step by step.
You have changed your machines from hydraulical to electrical drives. Why this?
Because the hydraulic is noisy, too much maintenance work, oil leakage is not environment friendly. And we see all electric machine or full electric machines, first of all, the energy saving is something from 20% to 30%, and productivity also high. And the maintenance cost in terms of replacement of the spare parts is really a minimum. Like today's like electric car, same concept. And it's a higher production capacity as well. So this is also why we are introducing for at least 5 or 6 years already to all electric machines.
Okay, sustainability and the environmental aspects are
Yes.
growing more and more
Yeah.
important.
Yes.
Well, what's your view onto the markets, especially onto the European markets and there on the German-spoken markets like Germany, Austria, Switzerland?
For all this is to us, there's still a gap, and it's not that easy to introduce our machine to this area, because in the technology-wise in this industry is well developed. And again, we still having a chance. The chance is the cost on the capital investments for the majority of the customer here in Europe or in other countries. The same thing, they try to cut down, and because now all the plastic items, the lifetime is shortened. So they are expecting a machine not running 20 or 30 years plus. So if a machine to run 10 or 15 years is good enough. So in a way, we are trying to be more competitive comparing to this player in these regions.
Okay, we are standing in front of that yellow canisters. What can you tell me about this?
This 20-liter canister is used for palm oil.
Okay.
And this kind of palm oil in 20-liter or 25-liter canister is so popular in African countries. Palm tree is available in certain area like Malaysia and Indonesia. And majority, too many containers being delivered from these two countries to African country. And you can imagine how the population here in Africa countries. So more and more production facility being set up here. They import the palm oil refinery by themselves, and they need the jerry can, the canister here to feed it. So we have more numbers of the machine being shipped to all these countries from, I would say, that Ghana, Nigeria, Ivory Coast, so many countries nearby. They have requesting more and more numbers of the machine on this for the production. And we have also developed from 1 kilo down to 850 grams to reduce the consumption of plastic, giving the same quality or even better quality, because our machine is with better design to give a very good quality of the canister, so they can reduce per canister 150 grams. So you suppose I have a machine to produce 200 bottles an hour. So you can imagine by a month how many material being saved. So this is the way we are offering to African country with fully automatic and a whole closed loop from the raw material dosing until the residue, the waste, going back to the same production line, and including the weighing scale to control a state, make sure the canister was producing within the correct weight, and also with leak detecting total solution for the entire package. So this is the new concept and total automation, because today in African country a lot of still hand cutting all the residues.
So these markets are to be focused in future. I think many companies have they not on their radar, and the KSV is an ideal platform to get access to such international customers.
Yes, we have from the last few K show, we have new customer from this region and also Middle East, even from North America.
Okay.
This is the purpose attending to participate in the K show.
Participating since 1983.
83.
That's a very, very long time. And
Yes.
well, I hope this K 2025 will be at least as successful as the case before. So thank you for your information. Thank you for sharing your thoughts. And well, have a nice K.
Thank you so much.